Hey guys, welcome back. Here we are on the 2008 WRX Premium again, getting everything together and pulling the motor out. So thanks for joining us. Kind of a slow process because we don't know what we're doing on a Subaru. Lots of leaves. People living in here, little aborigines or something. So far, really easy. Got everything out, took like maybe an hour, and about to pull it out, see what's what, do it.
That ain't gonna be good. Okay, go up. Kill.
Well, I can't hold this back. Okay, now I can. I thought Porsches had the motor in the back. This is not even right.
It's a front engine Porsche drag too.
I think we just about got her. Phew, sweet. I just have to completely disassemble it. Let's see why it sucks so bad. Yeah. Just getting the exhaust bolts heated up so we can break them loose. See the crank in this thing.
We can't take this out.
I mean, there's probably not much left of it, but look at all those metal shavings. It's pretty gnarly. Dude, it was knocking loud.
Did you just try to start?
Hold on. Oh, couldn't get it.
Huh?
Just shake that rod around. Oh yeah. It'll be fine. Just put some heavier oil in it, like some 50 weight or 90 weight.
Oversized bearing?
Yeah. Or a piece of leather. That's what I've heard.
I don't see. We need to flip this thing back over.
You can't see the timing marks.
And no, I don't see one on this pulley.
Look at all this dirt that came out of the air filter. Total disregard for maintenance. We got this far with it today. Water pump, oil pump. Just need to get a tool and get these cams held tight so you can get the bolts out. And then you take the heads off, split the case. Should be fun. Okay, so here I was trying to get the camshaft sprockets off, and those bolts are super gnarly, and they're Allen head 10 millimeter, and the uppers with the like VVT or whatever variable timing, those bolts actually broke loose fairly easy. Both lowers were just a nightmare, and I lost the clip, but I actually had to, you could see me getting out of socket, trying to pound it on, and I made an imprint into the end of the Allen bolt, and then took a cutoff wheel and ground an octagon shape or whatever, 6-sided shape onto it. so I could fit a 17 millimeter socket on there, and that is how I got both cam bolts out. It was pretty stupid, I must say, and just part of the reason why I really did not enjoy this job at all. Beyond all the wiring and hose routing and just the way that this crankcase and the whole block and everything just goes together is just crazy to me. That, there's so many of these on the road, and people, I guess, build them and race them and enjoy them, but I certainly think this will be my first and last rebuild of one of these. But so far so good. Making progress. Okay, so here I had to get the motor off the engine stand, bring it over to the table there so I can actually work on it, split it apart, because you can't split it apart when it's bolted to an engine stand on two sides. Had to do some digging here, find all the bolts. There's 3 or 2, I think, on one side going through in next to the cylinders, and then 4 on the other side. And it would definitely be nice to have 2 people to do this job for sure, or some way to hold the motor down while you're trying to break those bolts loose, because they're like head bolts essentially, holding the whole case together. And then still gonna have to figure out how to seal everything back up and put the new main and rod bearings inside and get it all back together correctly and torqued. That's going to be pretty interesting, and I'll definitely be needing a hand. Trying to figure it all out. No YouTube involved whatsoever, but I did it. I just have no idea the proper way to put this back together, because obviously the way I took these rod bolts out and stuff, you're not going to be able to torque that. So gonna have to figure that out. This is definitely a, I won't say stupid, but it's a pretty stupid design. Not sure why anyone would want to work on one of these, and this will probably be my last one. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. I'm on my way to go get a new crank and see if we can't put this thing back together. Peace.